We're looking at S&P 500 M&A futures, and we may have a potential long opportunity to buy the market because this uptrend needs new high. We have a second attempt to go long, but it's an inside bar. So I skipped the inside bar, almost looked like it's going to break higher. So I'm waiting for high-low confirmation setup to confirm the second entry long, to expect new high. Let's see it. Alright traders, I'm resuming the video. I barely managed to get the fill. As you can see, I had to chase it because it gapped instantly. I'm scalping 12 ticks and we got the scalp. So this was perfect high-low confirmation setup. This high-low confirmed the second entry long. As you can see, if I'm going to zoom out, the structure is very range-like. The structure is range-like, so I'm following mainly tight channels. You may ask, hold on, why did you draw a wide channel like this? Well, I drew it after the fact. Initially, I had to break a new low. I was expecting reversal here. There was additional leg down, so in hindsight, I'm going to redraw this channel, so even a wider one played out. We had a nice reversal pattern above EMA, establishing a bright new bullish reversal. So this is what I'm going to pay attention to. We have bullish reversal, back into a trend range, and I have a new high counting technique for first entry long, second entry long. If this wasn't an inside bar, great setup. Downtrend played out with the break push to new extreme, which means correction is over, EMA held, and this is textbook high-low confirmation. One more attempt to trap the sellers right into the EMA. I scalped 12 ticks, 3 points, and leaving one contract as a runner. And hopefully we may have this measured move, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure the one leg, break, second leg, would make the target around the top of the trend range. I'm going to trail it tight and see how far it can go. Alright, I'm going to trail the runner below this push right here, simply because it's quite rangy. So I'm just going to be happy with 5.5 points. If it keeps going higher, it's a great bonus. So this is how I'm going to manage it. But a great high probability setup, EMA held, everything played out, everything is on the bullish side. And because this downtrend is so broad, it has a broad break push to a new extreme, you can see how sideways it is. It's a good sign to expect reversal. Alright traders, our runner just got hit. So I've jumped it up with the break new high. If I'm going to see prices working higher, I'm going to redraw to some wider channel because the trend looks more structured. Something like this, but I need to see some stronger push phase and making this uptrend much longer and structured with more higher highs and higher lows. But this was a demonstration of high-low confirmation setup of buying pressure. So I hope it was helpful and good luck with your trading.